Hey everyone, this is actually a super cool feature. The text box at the top of GA4. This is called the search box. It allows you to search for various entities, dimensions, and metrics all within the GA4 interface. You can use the search box to quickly find specific reports, events, audience segments, or other elements in your GA4 property. I'll show you guys in just a second, but to use the search box in GA4, simply click on it and start typing your search query. You'll notice as you type, I'll show you, GA4 will provide you with suggestions and autocomplete options based on the available entities and dimensions in your property. You can select the desired item from the suggestions or continue typing to refine your search. So you'll notice, right? The search box in GA4, it may seem super basic, but it's a really handy tool to quickly navigate through your analytics data and find specific information without having to manually browse through different sections and reports. So let's jump over to GA4 and I'll show you how to use it. Okay, here we are in the GA4 interface. We have the home screen here. So this is the reports snapshot. It shows you users, event count, conversions, and new users. You can drill down and change each one of these. We can change this from conversions to, let's say, engagement rate. All right, you can see that this has gone up during the last 7 days. So this is a really easy, quick way to do some reporting. I always like having for e-commerce having the purchases here. Okay, 84 purchases. Instead of event count, let's change this one to engagement rate. And we'll change this one to the value. So e-commerce, 2. Can I do that? Transactions? No, that's the same as purchases. Here, revenue. Total revenue. Okay. The last 28 days, they made 34,000 euros, consisted of 84 purchases. The engagement rate is 64%, 23,000 users. Here you have access to the real-time view. It can tell you in real time where people are from as they visit your site. You can see here, the site is based out of Ireland, so a lot of them are from there. And you can see also that, if these particular users that are on your site, you can see kind of what they're doing in real time. Are they triggering events? Are they being added to audiences that you've created? You can see if they're triggering conversions and even how they're traversing down your customer funnel. Have they added something to cart? Have they purchased something? What was the value of that purchase? It's great for debugging as well. So you can see actually the various things that happen event-wise. And then you can notice that GA4 is paying attention to these things, but it's not necessarily tracking them. If you want it to track them, you can notice these things in the real-time view and then add those things in the event view. If you go to admin and events, follow the kind of flow of the things that you want to track in the real-time view and then add it to the admin view. But oh boy, was that a sidetrack. Let's go talk about the search bar here. So let's click it. And I just want to show you that it's very useful to just type in easy queries. How about sales in Cork, Ireland, RE, during June 2023. Okay, transactions for Cork, Ireland during the month of June, 2. Okay, and so this is an insight that we used. How about gender and age of transactions? We do that. Top gender and age by transactions. How about during June? Okay, this is neat. Look over here on the right-hand side. So So females 45 to 54 bought 2 things. And this is actually very useful. How about during all of 2023? Maybe we'll get more data out of it. Yep. So females and males, they're pretty much tied. 45 to 54, 35 to 44 for males, 12 transactions. A large amount are unknown. Maybe that's an implementation problem that we can address or look into. Either way, there are good insights here. Okay. You can even say add value as well. So that you can even build it out. Wow, that's super cool. So we've got total value, we've got the number of transactions, and then we've got gender and age. So this is a very useful report. Then we can link to it here. So we can share it, share the link, copy, open up another tab, and let's see what happens. So it just opens it up here. Very neat. It even has suggested questions at the bottom. So from an e-commerce perspective, what are my best-selling products? That's a really good insight for an e-commerce store. That's not a good insight, so there could be a problem with the enhanced e-commerce implementation. We're not getting the product name. Top item name by total revenue. How about that one? That one's not working. Oh, good. How about this? Revenue by devices this year. Interesting insight. iPhone, $49,000. Chrome, $40,000. This is really neat. This is good insight to tell them whether or not most of their viewers come from mobile, and it seems like that is true. Since the bulk of them do come from mobile, maybe they should consider fully optimizing their website for a responsive mobile experience. There are aspects of it that aren't very mobile friendly on this particular website, so that's certainly a recommendation based on the insights that we've gleaned through GA4 and our trusty search box here. So don't ignore the search box like I did in the beginning. It's really fun to play with, and you can get a lot of useful insights really quick and really easy as well. If you have an idea, type it into the search box, play around with it. For retail, it's super useful. Just make sure your implementation is really good so you can have maximum flexibility as for, as it pertains to all the questions that you can ask. Okay, hopefully that helps. That's the search box, guys. I'm a big fan. Have a good one. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.